If the target allow this, then boom, we got the all information. Now let's back to the Kali terminal. Here you can see all the information like OS, GPU, resolution, public IP, also country, ISP, latitude, longitude, accuracy, even exact pinpoint location by Google Map. Ever wondered how hackers gather information about targets? What if I told you there is a powerful open source tool that can track locations, device details, and more just by sending a malicious link? Seeker, the ultimate information gathering tool. Today, we are diving into Seeker, an advanced information gathering tool that simulates phishing attacks for ethical hacking. What is Seeker? Seeker is an OSINT tool developed by the White Hat. It's designed to collect sensitive information from a target, tricking them into clicking a link. Once they do, Seeker grabs exact GPS location, IP address, and ISP details, device information, OS browser screen resolution, GPU, even network data. But here is the catch. Seeker is meant for ethical hacking, security research, not for illegal activities. So, use Seeker only on systems that you own or have explicit permission to test. I'm going to my Kali terminal and open browser and type Seeker GitHub. Then click the first link. This will redirect to official GitHub repository. Here you can see all the information of this tool like installation, uses, demo. It says Seeker hosts a fake website which asks for location permission, and if the target allows it, we can get longitude, latitude, accuracy, speed, etc. Along with location information, we also get device information without any permissions like unique ID, operating system, platform, number of CPU cores, amount of RAM, screen resolution, GPU information, browser name, version, public IP address, local IP address. We will see this in final result. Also, it shows different templates like Google Drive, WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom, etc. You can use whatever you like. Here is the installation part. Copy this command and let's back to the Kali terminal and paste it, and it will clone in the computer. Now, change the directory to Seeker and let's see what's inside. And then give execution to all files and write Python 3 Seeker to run the tool. Now you can see the different templates. You can choose whatever you like. I'm going to choose WhatsApp. It will give me WhatsApp interface with malicious link. That's why I write to and enter. Now it wants me to give a WhatsApp group name. I give hack or die. Now it asks me to give a location of a picture. I already saved a picture to my desktop. I just write the location. Then it is starting PHP server with 8080 default port. At last it writes waiting for client. That means it is waiting for the targets. Now I am going to create a tunnel mode by ngork. In order to run tunnel, you need to install ngork to your computer. It already installed to my computer. That's why I just copy the command and paste to the another terminal and enter. Now it will provide me a malicious link to forward my target. I copy this link and paste it to my browser. Then it will redirect me to a fake web page of WhatsApp. You can see the group title name that I gave before, but somehow picture is not showing. By the way, when target click join chat, it will ask permission of location. As usual, ask many website. If the target allow this, then boom, we got the all information. Now let's back to the Kali terminal. Here you can see all the information like OS, GPU, resolution, public IP, also country, ISP, latitude, longitude, accuracy, even exact pinpoint location by Google Map. This is crazy. I am using VPN because of hide my own identity and IP address. But you can see it's the same IP and country that shows in my VPN. Okay, let me change the country and see is this shows the exact IP and country as VPN. We can see it is connecting to Netherlands. Okay, it's connected now. Now let's copy the same forwarding address and back to the browser and paste it. Also, click the join chat button. After that, back to Kali terminal and scroll little bit down so it shows the exact location of VPN also. And now let's check the IP. Yeah, it's same as well. This is so cool. This is how you can track and get information of target. If you guys like it, then subscribe and share the video. Also hit a comment of any tool or topic you want to learn. Thank you.